Gorgeous Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm starting a little thing for Easter where I'm crafting 5 different projects for Easter. And I'm calling it 5 days, was it 5 days of Easter? And this is day 1. Okay, and I have all my stuff cut out, and I will be writing the measurements on my blog for all of this, so it's going to be in inches and centimeters. So let's get started here. I have my card. Now I have my first mat here that's cut just about 1/4 inch smaller than my card. And then the next layer is 1/4 inch smaller than that. So I'm going to glue this piece on. Like so. I'm going to put my nail right there to where I want it to sit. And just press the, oh, that's too low. Okay, we got that one on. Now we're going to do our next one. And this is a printable from Decorate Your Life. I will link that down below. I will also have an affiliate link that you can use to purchase this printable. That will save you 15% on your complete order. And there we go with that one. Now here I have 2 of these, so I'm going to pop this up. Okay, so I'm going to get my mounting piece, mounting tape here. I'm going to put one right in there. And then one, well, apparently these didn't want to come off, just one. One here, and one right there. Now I want one down here also. So let's see if I can move this one. No, I can't. So I'm just going to try to put this one as close as I can to the edge here. And I got those all in there. Okay, so now I'm going to take my pokey tool. I'm going to try to link the pokey tool also. And the printable I'm using from Decorate Your Life is one of her Easter printables called My Little Sweet Princess. Okay. So now I'm going to pop that on here. Like so. And then just glue that on to the card. Okay. Like this. And I also cut out some little butterflies, and I mean little. I'm going to take those and put them on here. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. One missing. Is it still in the envelope here? No. Yep, it's there. Right there. So, again, I'm going to put glue on here. And put this one right over here in the corner. Like that. Pick up my next one. Put that one right here. Like so. And get my last one. And we're going to put this one right here. Okay. And then I'm going to take this piece here and put it right above here. And it says on your special day. That's another one of her printables. And I'm just going to stick that right under here. And like that. On your special day. And then I'm just going to leave the happy birthday in here in case the recipient wants to not use it. They can do whatever they want. Let me put a little more glue here so that stays down. And that's good. So now what I want to do is add some little drops. It's going to make it look like little dew on the flowers. And I'm going to take my glitter glue and do that. And this is Studio G. Put 1 or 2 on each flower. Put one in the center of the rose there. Like so. And it's going to look like glittery dewdrops on here. I'm going to put some around the frame. Like so. So, we got that. I wish I had glossy accents because there's an idea that I have that I want to use it for. But apparently I don't have any more, so I have to order some. So, I want to thank you all for watching. And please do go and check out decorateyourlife.com. And she has everything in her shop from printables to beaded pens, traveler's notebooks, you name it, she's got it in there. So this is my card for day 1 for 5 days of Easter. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please do be kind, be caring, be positive, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.